At GoSkills, we believe in lifelong learning. That's why, since we started in 2013, we've designed our online courses to be rich, stimulating, and fun. We work with the best instructors to develop a unique blend of comprehensive business courses in categories like Microsoft Excel, project management, finance, soft skills, and many more. Our course library is accredited by renowned organizations worldwide, such as the CPD Certification Service, the Project Management Institute, the International Association for Six Sigma Certification, and PeopleCert. We've developed a unique microlearning and gamified approach proven to drive engagement, boost knowledge retention, and improve learning outcomes. Our bite-sized lessons fit perfectly into the busiest schedules, and our gamification features reward learners for reaching their goals, helping them stay motivated and on track. Companies can even customize these rewards to boost engagement in their training programs. And with features like closed captioning and handy note-taking, we ensure learning is accessible for all. Before they start, learners can take a skills assessment to evaluate their current skill levels and optimize their learning experience from the very beginning. When it comes to applying knowledge, nothing beats practice. Each lesson ends with a quiz and downloadable exercises. Once they've completed a course, learners will be awarded with a certificate that they can proudly share on their social profiles and resumes. With GoSkills courses, over 500,000 learners have taken their careers to the next level, and thousands of companies worldwide have built stronger teams. Join us and embark on a life-changing journey. Visit GoSkills.com/courses to explore our course library.